In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a formula in Monday.com. Formulas in Monday.com are incredibly powerful tools that allow you to automate calculations, track progress, and gain deeper insights from your data without manual effort. They can transform your board from a simple task tracker into a dynamic data analysis hub. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own formulas to enhance your workflow and make your data work smarter for you. Let's begin by opening a Monday.com board. You can choose an existing board where you'd like to implement a formula, or you can create a brand new one specifically for practice. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll use a blank board to illustrate the process clearly. Once your board is open, you'll see your tasks or items laid out, ready for customization and data input. Next, we need to add a couple of columns that will serve as the numerical inputs for our formula. Think of these as the raw numbers you want to calculate with. Click on the Add Column button, which you'll typically find as a plus sign icon on the right side of your existing columns. From the column type options, select Number. Repeat this process to add a second Number column. It's a good practice to rename these columns immediately to something descriptive, like Quantity and Unit Price, or Value 1 and Value 2. So you know exactly what data they will hold. This clarity is crucial when building your formula later on. Now that we have our input columns, it's time to add the formula column itself. Once again, click the Add Column button. This time, search for and select the formula column type from the available options. Once you choose it, Monday.com will open up the formula editor, which is where the magic happens. This particular column is unique because instead of manually entering data, it will automatically display the result of your defined calculation, updating in real time. This is the stage where we'll construct our formula. The formula editor provides a range of functions and allows you to easily reference your existing columns. For our example, let's create a simple multiplication formula. You'll typically see a dedicated field where you can type your formula. To reference a specific column, simply click on its name from the list provided in the editor, or type its name surrounded by curly braces, like quantity. So, to multiply our two number columns, we would type something like quantity. Unit price. Remember, the asterisk symbol is used for multiplication. You can also use the plus sign for addition, a minus sign for subtraction, and a forward slash for division. Once you've entered your formula, double-check the syntax to ensure there are no errors. Then click Set Formula or Done to apply it to your board. Monday.com will usually flag any syntax errors, which is incredibly helpful for troubleshooting. Finally, with your formula successfully set, you can now input any numbers into your quantity and unit price columns for each item. As soon as you enter data into both input columns for an item, the formula column will instantly calculate and display the answer. You'll notice that the results update in real time as you adjust your input values. This makes your board incredibly dynamic and ensures your calculations are always up to date, providing immediate feedback on your data. This simple setup can be expanded to much more complex calculations, helping you streamline various aspects of your project management and data analysis.